Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can practice your English on the website called English Page. So, this is the part 3 of the first two videos which I made on the website English Page. So, you're gonna first up search englishpage.com, and now you will click on enter. So now what you're going to do is you're gonna scroll down and click on the area called more tutorials. So now you will be clicking on who/whom/whose. So when you've clicked over there, it's going to take you to this website. Whose is an subject pronoun, whom is an object pronoun, and whose is a possessive pronoun. So after you're done thoroughly reading all of this, you're going to have to click on the exercise whom, whose exercise. So now you have to click on the arrow and choose the answer according to the ending, or choose the answer according to the sentence. So wrote this book. So if you write whom, that's not gonna be proper. So you'll have to put who, because you're going to say who wrote this book. Are you going to recommend? So instead of saying that, you will say whom are you going to recommend? Who are you going to recommend? Whose are you going to recommend? So like this way you're going to have to do all of the questions, and you will click on hint or check depending on your status of what your question is. After you're done with all of your questions, you will then click on check, and then it will give you your score. So right now I have gotten 73%. So now all of your correct answers are still kept over here, but all of your wrong answers will be changed. So you'll have to change them right here, and then you'll have to change all of these, and then you can click on submit again. So now when you click on check, you're going to get your score right here. So thank you, and I hope you found this video interesting, and just let me know in the comments if I should make more videos like this, and if I should continue this series of the website English Page where you can improve your English and your grammar.